The best new cars we're looking forward to in 2017, including the BMW 3 Series, Audi A6, Nissan Micra, Ford Fiesta and more. By our count, of the more than 60 new, redesigned or refreshed vehicles coming for 2017, about 2/3 are conventional autos. We'll skip the updates to give you a sneak peek at a baker's dozen of the highest profile all-new passenger cars in the accompanying slideshow that are expected to reach dealers' showrooms in the months ahead. These include an impressive assortment of stately sedans, hot-blooded sport coupes, and even the odd station wagon. Auto enthusiasts will no doubt be enthralled with what looks to be bounty of brand new sports cars coming down the road for 2017. At the high end of the market, Aston-Martin debuts its new DB11, the latest in a line of decidedly British supercars that includes the famed DB5 Sean Connery drove in Goldfinger, though the production version didn't include its machine guns, smoke screens, rocket launchers, oil slicks, tire shredders, and iconic ejection seat. Though gas prices remain affordable enough to make them a harder sell than they'd like, automakers continue to develop high-mileage and full electric models to help them meet new fuel economy regulations that phase in beginning with the 2017 model year. Among the new or improved out-fuel models for 2017, Chevrolet leads the way with its new bold full-electric car, which promises a 200-mile range on a charge. For its part, Hyundai offers the new Ioniq, which covers all the bases with hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and EV variations.